Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone and welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Ivy Sundew from the show Amphibia. So before we get started, please feel free to leave a like, leave a comment, maybe subscribe if you're new here. Any of that would be awesome. Alright, so let's get started with Ivy. I'm going to start with the eyes, which are two circles. So one circle, and the other one is just kind of there and behind it. And we're going to do a little circle inside those. And now we can do two little eyelashes, and same over here. Now we're going to do a little line right here, and then kind of a funky line. This is going to be the mouth. So we're going to kind of come down and up and down and up. Now let's start work on the hat. So we're going to make a little line right here and curve on up a bit. And then come on up a lot more and work our way down a little bit, and then we're going to do another little hill and another little one. And now we're going to do two patches on the hat. So one patch here, and do a couple little lines for like stitches, and a patch here and a few little stitch lines. Now let's do the shape of the face. So we're going to curve on down and come on along this way and come out this way and meet up with that other line. Now we can do a little line right here and right here. A little oval here on the cheek, and now we're going to do a funky little curvy line right here and a few little lines, and we're going to do that funky little line here too with a few little lines. All right, next let's do a sleeve for the t-shirt. So just a little sleeve, and now I'm going to do a strap for the outfit. So a little strap and a button, and same right here. A little strap and a button. Now let's put a line right here, and we're gonna do a little slanted line here with one right there. Now let's do an arm. So bring this line down, do another one, and we'll do a hand. So 1, 2, 3 fingers. Now let's bring this line down a little bit more, and over here let's come out a little bit, and then bring this line across, come on up a little bit and down a little bit, and come across again, and up a bit and down a bit, and another little up a bit, down a bit, and then meet up with this line. Now let's do another sleeve for the t-shirt and another arm. So 2 lines and a thumb, a finger, another finger, and one more. And now a little line here. So now let's do the feet, or the legs. So we'll have a little line here, and one there, And then we've got one little, oh, sorry, it was almost kind of cut off the page. One little like U shape, and then we're going to do another one. And now we're going to do that same thing again. 2 little lines, and then 1, 2 little toes. All right, so we are done our sketch, and now we're going to get started on the coloring. All right, everyone, we're finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for whatever our next video will be. All right, everyone, goodbye.